Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at a Lucid 12-inch Queen Hybrid mattress. It's bamboo, charcoal, and aloe vera infused memory foam, motion isolating springs, and CertaPure US certified. It's got over 5,000 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Nice. And if queen size isn't doing it for you, you can get this mattress in twin, twin XL, full, king, and California king. So check out the listing for those options, and you can also go thinner or get the mattress with an adjustable base. So the memory foam is infused with bamboo charcoal, which eliminates odors and cradles your body while you sleep. A high-quality transition foam infused with aloe vera creates a calming and relaxing sleep environment that promotes daily freshness. Enduring and comfortable medium plush support is provided by individually wrapped, high-quality steel coils. This is created to provide luxury at an affordable price, and this mattress is backed by a 10-year warranty against manufacturer defects. It's compressed, rolled, and shipped in a box for simple setup, and easily fits through narrow hallways and staircases. Awesome. And you get a 100-night risk-free trial, so if you're unsatisfied with this mattress, you're eligible for a full refund up to 100 days from the date of receipt. Fair enough? And now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser called So Comfortable and Supportive. I was in the market for a new mattress, but was understandably wary about buying one online. I'm a student and on a budget, so I decided to do research on the memory foam internet mattress craze because they tend to be less expensive. I decided on this one because of the Prime option and the raving reviews on Amazon, YouTube, and the Lucid website. I made no mistake in purchasing the Lucid 12-inch memory foam mattress. It's so comfortable and supportive. I'm a combo sleeper and found the bed comfortable in every sleeping position. It has no odor and inflated in less than a few hours. I highly recommend this mattress. Very nice. And don't forget this is available with Amazon Prime, which means free delivery. Nice. So order yours today. I think you're gonna love it.